Alright guys, today on the What to Do channel we have a Jacobson 5111. It's a rough mower, and the problem that they're having is when you turn the PTO switch on that engages the blades, the machine is shutting off. Alright, so that could be numerous things. There's a lot of safety switches on this machine that could be bad. You could have a bad ground, or you could have a bad time delay relay. Alright, so basically to troubleshoot this, what I did was, I'll show you. Alright, this is the unit right here. Now, each deck, as a safety feature, is going to have a switch on it, like this. Alright, now basically, what happens is when this deck is raised, and this switch detects that this magnet here is no longer there, it tells the machine to shut the blades off. Alright, if this malfunctions, that could be a problem of why it's shutting down when you try to engage the blades. It's thinking that the unit, it has the decks up, alright, when in fact they're actually down. So it could be that switch. So what I did was created a jumper wire. I unplugged it from that switch. This is the end of the switch here. You can see. Well, I unplugged it and I jumped it for now. And I went around and did that to every deck. You can see up here in the front. All right. So here's our jumper wire here. Okay. So, and over here we had bypassed the emergency brake also, as well as the deck. Because the emergency brake, it's acting as if, you know, the machine shuts down as if the emergency brake is on. So we want to bypass every single switch as possible, just to really narrow down what's going on here. So we, you see that, we got that jumped, and under the seat here, you can see there's the seat switch that we have disconnected there and jumped here. All right, so we have eliminated all possibilities and went ahead and turned the machine on, and it was still doing it. So either A, we have a bad ground somewhere, or B, it's the timing delay relay. This was actually up here like this. Our timing delay relay is going to be under here. You're going to have 4 Phillips head screwdrivers. 4 Phillips head screws you're going to take out. I already took them out. But you want to lift that up. And then look right back there. That's your timing delay relay. And that's your fuse panel there. But that's the area there we want to focus on, which is, if you look around here, it's going to be two Phillips heads there. Let's take that off, and you're probably going to need a hold back for that nut right there. And this is what the actual relay looks like here. That's the part number. It's from Lawn and Golf, and looks pretty straightforward on hooking that up. You're just gonna need to find that in there, which is right there, where you're gonna disconnect that to plug that in. And our black wire is down there. That's where that black wire connects. All right. Looks like we're gonna need a long extension and a ratchet to get down in there. I got this old one pretty much disconnected here now, so this can come out. Alright, I did get this one plugged in down there. This has to get bolted back up here, and the black wire I did get ran down there. It's kind of hard to get to unless you plan on taking all these bolts out and a couple bolts on this side and removing this whole panel and dealing with all that. So really, all I did was I got myself a 1/4-inch ratchet here, and I put a whole bunch of extensions on, and you're gonna need the swivel because it's down there against the wall, and you need to go under this a little bit. So you're gonna go down and in. So you're gonna need this swivel, and this is 11 millimeter that you're gonna need to get to that, and I'll zoom in on it again. It's right there. All right. I'm gonna put the 2 bolts back in here in our time delay relay, and that will conclude hooking that up. I got it all back in. We just got to bolt a couple things back together, and just to recap, the last time I tried to start it with all the safety switches jumped, the machine was still shutting off. So now we got the timing delay relay in there. I'm gonna bolt a couple more things back up, and we're gonna give it a shot. All right, we're gonna try to start this up now. We just got the everything bolted back up here. All right, turn it on. Gotta give it a minute or two. It's diesel. All right. So we put our gauge blade up. That's a good sign. It used to die before. Here we go. Oh yeah, there it is. It's working. Nice. Nice. And that's it, guys. Please give me a subscribe below. Give me a like. I do these videos daily, trying to get my subscribers up. Hopefully this helps somebody else out that's having a PTO problem. And I'll see you next time.